Glowing in the dark, how bioluminescence works. Glowing in the dark, how bioluminescence works. The natural world never ceases to amaze with its array of captivating phenomena, and one of the most mesmerizing is bioluminescence. This enchanting display of light production by a living organism serves various purposes and is found in a diverse range of creatures, from deep-sea creatures to insects and even fungi. Delving into the mechanisms behind bioluminescence unveils a world of intricate biochemical processes that have evolved to create this awe-inspiring spectacle. The chemistry of light production. At its core, bioluminescence is a chemical reaction that produces light without the involvement of heat. This phenomenon is driven by a reaction between a light-emitting molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. Luciferin, which varies in structure among different organisms, is typically a small molecule that contains energy-rich chemical bonds. When luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of luciferase, it undergoes a process known as oxidation. This oxidation releases energy in the form of light, leading to the characteristic glow associated with bioluminescence. The beauty of bioluminescence lies in its diversity and adaptability. Various species have evolved unique variations of the luciferin-luciferase system, allowing them to emit light of different colors and intensities. For example, some bioluminescent organisms emit blue light, while others produce green, red, or even violet hues. These variations are a result of the specific chemical structures of the luciferin molecules and the fine-tuned interactions between luciferase enzymes and their substrates. The function of bioluminescence. While the ethereal glow of bioluminescence is undoubtedly captivating, it serves a range of important functions for the organisms that possess this ability. These functions often revolve around communication, camouflage, and predation. 1. Communication. Bioluminescence plays a crucial role in communication between individuals of the same species. Fireflies, for example, use their flashes of light to attract potential mates. Each species of firefly has a unique flashing pattern that helps them identify suitable partners and avoid mating with individuals of other species. Similarly, some deep-sea creatures utilize bioluminescence to communicate in the darkness of their environment, using flashes of light to signal potential prey, mates, or predators. 2. Camouflage. In some cases, bioluminescence helps organisms blend into their surroundings by matching the ambient light. This phenomenon is particularly noticeable in the ocean, where certain fish have evolved the ability to produce light that matches the intensity of the sunlight filtering down from the surface. This counter-illumination technique helps them remain hidden from predators swimming below. 3. Predation. Bioluminescence can also serve as a predatory strategy. Many deep-sea predators use bioluminescent lures to attract unsuspecting prey. For instance, the anglerfish possesses a bioluminescent lure that dangles in front of its mouth, attracting curious prey that mistake the glow for a smaller, more harmless creature. Once the prey gets close enough, the anglerfish strikes, securing its meal. A diverse range of bioluminescent organisms. Bioluminescence is not limited to a particular group of organisms, rather, it spans various kingdoms of life, each with unique adaptations that enable light production. 1. Marine life. the ocean depths are perhaps the most famous home to bioluminescent organisms. From the otherworldly glow of jellyfish to the sparkling trails of plankton disturbed by a ship's wake, bioluminescence is a common feature in the dark waters. Certain species of squids and octopuses possess bioluminescent organs that they use for communication, camouflage, and evading predators. 2. Insects, fireflies, or lightning bugs, are perhaps the most well-known bioluminescent insects. Their romantic displays of blinking lights are a staple of warm summer nights. Fireflies use their flashes to find mates and establish their territory. Bioluminescence is not limited to fireflies, though. Other insects, such as certain species of beetles and click beetles, also possess the ability to produce light. 3. Fungi. While less commonly associated with bioluminescence, some species of fungi also possess this remarkable trait. These fungi, often found in decaying wood or forest floors, emit a soft greenish glow. The exact purpose of bioluminescence in fungi is still being explored, but it's theorized that it could aid in spore dispersal or attract insects to aid in reproduction. Exploring the depths of the unknown. Despite our understanding of the biochemical processes that underlie bioluminescence, there is still much to learn about the intricacies of this phenomenon. Scientists continue to uncover new species of bioluminescent organisms and study their adaptations. The study of bioluminescence also extends beyond the natural world, finding applications in various fields. Researchers are harnessing the power of bioluminescent molecules for a range of purposes, including environmental monitoring, medical diagnostics, and even art installations. Bioluminescence-based assays are used in laboratories to detect the presence of specific molecules, making them valuable tools in scientific research. Preserving the enchantment. As we gain a deeper understanding of bioluminescence and its ecological roles, it becomes evident that preserving the habitats of bioluminescent organisms is crucial. Human activities, such as light pollution and habitat destruction, can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems and threaten the survival of these extraordinary creatures. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that future generations can continue to experience the magic of bioluminescence. Unveiling the evolutionary puzzle. The evolutionary origins of bioluminescence remain a puzzle that scientists are eager to solve. While the ability to produce light has independently evolved multiple times across different branches of the tree of life, the driving forces behind these adaptations are still under investigation. Some theories suggest that bioluminescence originally evolved as a defense mechanism, allowing organisms to startle or distract predators by suddenly emitting a burst of light. Over time, this ability could have been co-opted for other purposes, such as communication or attracting mates. One intriguing aspect of bioluminescence is the remarkable adaptations that have occurred to enhance its effectiveness. Certain deep-sea creatures, like the flashlight fish, have developed light organs on their bodies that can be controlled to create complex patterns. These patterns are thought to play a role in species recognition and communication in the dark depths where visual cues are scarce. The mysteries of deep-sea bioluminescence,